Hello guys, welcome. I am André Lusegardis. Welcome to my channel. And here we learn about web development. And I'm just gonna start a Next.js course. I like to thank my coworkers for this t-shirt. It says it says in my machine a minha máquina funciona. That means in my machine it works. That is a development t-shirt that I won for my birthday. And thank you very much, guys. We, without anything else, let's go to the video. We are going to start by first learning how we can use Next.js. Well, Next.js we can use with an application that is create-nextjs-app. For this to work, we are gonna need to install all the dependencies of React. And I have a file that I created. I'm gonna list it down in the comments. It will be fixed in the first comment. And we are gonna need the Node.js that we can click here and we can install this one. And we are gonna download something. I'm gonna do it right here. And it's downloaded. Now we are gonna install it. We just need to press next a bunch of times. In my case, it won't show because I already have it installed. But in your case, you can just go next until it is installed. And then we are gonna install Chocolate. The thing is, Chocolate, you can click right in here, and we are gonna go into this page where we are gonna have to search for PowerShell. We are to search for PowerShell or prompt or command prompt. We are gonna go here and say PowerShell and open this with run as an administrator. We click yes, and right here we have it. And we would need to run this code and this one and then this. To make it simpler, I just put it in order here. We are gonna just copy that and place it here, press enter, copy this and press here, enter, and we are gonna copy this and press enter right there. I won't do it because I already done it. But then we are gonna have Chocolate installed. And after Chocolate is installed, we are gonna copy all of this. This is installed for the Node.js, the Yarn, the Python, the JDK8. Oh, in here, when we press that one, we are gonna say yes to all. And we are gonna install. I won't do it because I've already done it. But you're gonna install this one, and you have two optional things right here. That is the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, I put it as optional, but it is the code that I like to use for my programming language. So I do recommend you to use it if you want to follow my steps. And Next.js, it is it is needed for the Next.js. So when we finish there, I close it. I'm gonna be using command prompt, so you can see that we can use command prompt or PowerShell. and we are gonna open this as an administrator, all right? And then we are gonna copy this and press enter. What's this doing? This is gonna install create next app so we can use it in our code. Then we can already start using this right here. This is the page that are teaching us to use it. And there was some updates that was pretty important in Next.js, the Next.js 13, and I'm gonna go through all of them. And we can already start creating our code using this code right here. And there is a lot of things that is gonna ask, and we don't need to worry about any of that. Let's just do this. And you're gonna go in a folder that you want your application to be in, and we are gonna show more options. Open with Visual Studio Code or in the terminal. I'm gonna go in the terminal, and we are gonna copy that code. What code? This right here, that yarn create next app. These are gonna allow us to create a next app, and we can see the page and press enter. It's running, and now it's gonna, as our application, we are gonna say first app, press enter, and we are gonna say if we want TypeScript or not. We are gonna say TypeScript yes, yes to aslint, tailwind yes, src yes, app router yes. Would you like to customize the device import alias? No. And now we are gonna start. You can see that the folder was already created here, and I'll be back when this loading is over. So it just completed it. We can now close the PowerShell, and we can open the folder. And here in the folder we can open with Visual Studio Code. And in here we already have our Next.js application running. We can run it so you can see yarn dev. Why yarn dev? Because if we are gonna go in package.json in the root, we can see the scripts, and to start the application we are gonna use dev. And it is running. Press. We are gonna hold Control and click in here, and this is gonna open our application. This is the application that we just created. To make it simple for us to see, we can erase everything, like everything that it is in here we can exclude, we can delete it, and this we don't need it. And right in here we can put our code. We can add h1 with subscribe, and as we can see, the subscribe is right here. We are already using Next.js. In the next video I will teach you some more. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.